There you go, stir fry oyster mushroom. Got fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and some meat. You can use any kind of meat, but I use ground chicken. And this is a mushroom. Okay, we have chili, ginger, that's right, julienne, garlic, onion. You can use the anything in there, the white onion, yellow onion, whatever, bean sprouts. And this is it's a Chinese choice. So this is another one to get beautiful color. And this is Chinese celery. Okay, and that's a mushroom, our main thing. So this is oyster mushroom. Okay, what we do, we're going to start with oil. Heat the oil up first. We're going to put some oil in there. That's about 2 tablespoons. Let me turn on my heat. Okay, now the heat is on. There you go. So the first thing you want to do is the garlic and the onion. Right? You can put the garlic and onion in right now, it's fine. See that? Garlic. Okay, not you can put the garlic in and wait a few seconds. This is the fundamental of Thai cooking. The way you do the stir fry. You've got to start with the oil, low heat or whatever it is, and put the garlic in it. Make sure the garlic start cooking before you put anything else in there, otherwise it will smell garlic. If you really fry them really well, know the sequential, you don't smell the garlic. You got a real full flavor of garlic. Okay? It doesn't have to, awful smell. See that? They start cooking outside in. You're looking for the edge. So when the edge starts to dry out, you will start cooking. So you're going to put the onion in there. See, right now they start cooking. You see, some do cook, some don't. See, like that. Don't make the garlic fine like the Chinese do, smash and they burn it so quick. So see, like that. See that? It died out. It's kind of thickening like that. So that's what you need, the onion. So when you put the onion there, the temperature going down, so you start slow cooking from the garlic. That's how it works. See there? You put the onion, you want to keep the onion until translucent. See that? The thing starts to burn. See, by the time you put in there, now you get to lower up the heat a little bit. So you get it for them to get the translucent from the onion. See that? You start turning clear, white, clear, that's good. So now we're going to put hot vegetable in there. Ginger. That's what you want. Okay. Start adding color. That is herb. See that? Because this is hot vegetable, we have to cook. We have to go in first. Okay. Yeah. Stir fry didn't take that long. Because it go with now with oyster mushroom, it will like that heat. Don't go smaller than that, then you will lose the taste. Okay. And now with the chili, you can put in there. Chili. Okay. Now, sometimes because the meat is brown, so I will do the meat like this, or you can do the meat earlier. Doesn't matter, but I would like to do it this way. That's what I at home, I do that. because they will go faster. Okay. Because you need to interchange the sauce. You know how quick it is? So if you put this thing in a little bit early, they will cook, too much cook, overcook. See that? Now we're going to blend it in. See that? Yeah. Still, it doesn't take that long. I haven't done any balancing the taste. I'm working on my vegetable. See that culantro, that's a hard one. And the last leaf, last. So right now, see that? That's the stir fry. Stir fry takes time to prep when you cook it fast. See that? The more you get three color of the vegetable, the opposite, they compromise each other. So comparison and contrast within the color, three color that you need. Okay? See that the pork when you brown chicken. So make sure the brown chicken break it down before you add the sauce. Now we're going to do the sauce. Okay? See that because the chicken start to turn totally white. Okay, we're going to do fish sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Okay, use a lot of oyster sauce in there. That's 2 tablespoons white soy sauce. Sugar. Okay. Now we can stir and we can check the taste, balancing the taste. They call balance the taste. Okay. Something. See that? Vegetable is cooked fast. Okay. Now when you do them, it's just with the sauce, taste the sauce. A bit too salty. We're going to add the sugar in there to balance it out. Okay. There you go. Now that's the last thing you want to do. That's the soft vegetable. So, you throw it in the last thing. And that's what it is. So now, here we go. So, and here what it is. Okay. Oyster mushroom.